Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Andrea and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create the look that I'm wearing right now. I've already created this look yesterday and I was showing it to you on my Instagram, on my Insta stories, and a lot of you were requesting a tutorial about this look. Now, of course, I can't wait to have requests from you because sometimes I'm out of ideas. So I was very happy that you guys like this as well. I think it's very glamorous. It has a little retro vibe. Can you get me closer? It's just so sexy and feminine. Where would you wear this look? You could wear it at a party. You could wear it, wedding, or even during the day because the base that I've created, it's super natural and it's super thin. It's so perfect for summer. The eyes are very matte, but then the lips are super glossy. Now, before we get into it, please make sure that you have clicked on that subscribe button and the ring bell button. Now let's get into it. I want to give a shout out to Murmur for this beautiful bodysuit. You have to check them out on Instagram. I saw a lot of people wearing this and I'm so proud of Andreea, who is the creator of Murmur and she's Romanian. Desi Perkins, Kylie Jenner, Madonna, like so many famous people wore her creations, and I thought with this look it's gonna fit perfectly. I'm gonna start by talking about this Dr. Siba self-tanning drops. Now this is a product that I've used last night to give my skin just a little bit of color because I definitely have a tan on my body, but because I always wear an SPF, my face would always be lighter. So I just mixed 5 drops of this with my moisturizer, applied on clean skin, and I woke up with a beautiful, very, very natural tan. What do you guys think? I'll go on with the Vitamin C Brightening Primer SPF 15, also from Dr. Siba. This is going to smooth your skin, but it doesn't have that silicone-y feeling that most primers have. I would recommend this if you are dry skin, dehydrated skin. I've recently purchased this YSL All Hours foundation and I'm using the color BD45. I'm gonna dot this foundation like this on the skin. Then with my favorite brush, the IT Cosmetics Complexion Perfection, I'm spreading the foundation all over. Still a bit too dark, so I'm gonna spread it on my neck. It's a very glowy foundation. At first sight, I would say it's a super glowy foundation. I've used 2 pumps all over the face. I cannot say it has a huge coverage, which I actually love. I would say it has more like a medium coverage that looks like it can be built. I'll use just a tiny little bit more, like half a pump, just to see how it looks like if we're trying to build it. Definitely buildable. Lip balm. Always use lip balm at the beginning of your makeup. By the time you get to the lips, they're gonna be nice and hydrated. Use any lip balm of your choice. This is just the Fresh Sugar with Mint. Giorgio Armani Power Fabric Concealer. This is in number 4. A little goes a long way with this concealer. It would not cover like crazy. It's not comparable with Tarte or NARS. But if you don't need a lot of coverage, and if you also wanted to use it almost like all over the face, this is your guy. And it just becomes one with the skin. I use the other side of the IT Cosmetics brush, one of the reasons why I like it so much. I'm going to use the same concealer just to brighten certain parts of the face, like right here between my eyebrows, a little bit on the bridge of the nose, and on the chin. Huda Beauty Tantour. This is a contour and bronzer cream. I'm using the color Light. I'm using this Laura Mercier cheek brush. Barely touch the skin. I do these dabbing motions. I'm gonna slightly contour the nose with this Bodyography Dome Smudge brush. For now, I'm not gonna use blush because I want this look to be pretty monochromatic. But I do need to set, and I'll use this Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Now, after you use a very luminous foundation, you don't want to take that away by applying a ton of powder. So what you want to do is take a fluffy brush. This is a Misa 17 brush, but you could use like something like this. This is a Smith 232 brush. You could use a 217 brush, whatever small blending brush you have, that would be perfect. And then go ahead and use powder only in some parts of the face, like under the eyes. You don't want that concealer to crease, right? Around the nose. I'll apply a tiny little bit of powder around my mouth because there's a lot of movement in there, so you don't want your foundation to crease in the small lines or bigger lines. When I was showing you this makeup look on my Instagram, a lot of you were asking me to do the eyebrows as well, to include the eyebrows, because if you're watching my videos, you know that I don't really show how I do my eyebrows because I have a separate video for that. So I will show you how I do my eyebrows, but nothing really changed. I'm still using the same Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in medium brown. First thing that I do, brush the eyebrows so that I get rid of any powder or foundation that I might have on the actual hair. I brush the eyebrows upwards again and see how they look like. I'm going to fill them in here. Again, very light strokes. I brush the eyebrows down because I don't really see what I'm doing. So here we go. Now, if I really want a really perfect eyebrow, here's what I'm gonna do. I can take a flat brush. This is a Misa 205. MAC has a similar one. I'll use the same concealer that I've applied under my eyes and apply it under the eyebrow like this. Make sure that the concealer is not too light. It's not much lighter than your actual skin tone, because when it's too perfected, it's going to look unnatural, and usually unnatural looks cheap. Anastasia Clear Brow Gel or any eyebrow gel of your choice that's gonna hold the brows in place. Alright, now here is the change that eyebrow can make. It's basically the only line on our face that gives us expression. So that's why it's so important to know how to contour them. The color, the shape, everything is very important. Now for the eye makeup, I was using two palettes. The first one is the Natasha Denona Safari palette. It only has mattes. It's incredibly beautiful. Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. This has mattes, it has shimmers, it's a beautiful palette. First thing that I'm going to use is a drop of concealer that I'm going to spread all over the eyelid. Now taking the first color in this palette, this one right here, Amhara, and apply this right on the middle of my eyelid. I'm using a flat brush. This is a MAC 243 brush. Then I'll take this color called Masai with a Smith 253 brush. In this color I apply it at the outer corner, but also at the base of my lashes. And from where my pupil is, pupil, from here I start to make this eyeshadow line thicker and thicker so that it gives the illusion of a more like a cat eye look. We don't want any sharp line. So with the tip of this brush, I'm just diffusing this. Now I do back and forth motions in the crease. And then with a clean blending brush, I come blend the edges. I will go on with another layer of the same eyeshadow, repeating this process of blending. Now with the 221 brush, I'll take the color Desert Date. That's this mustardy color right here. And apply it on top of that darker eyeshadow that we've used earlier. And the same color, I'll apply it not in the inner corner, not too much on the mobile lid, like right here. Same eyeshadow, now at the outer corner. Then right at the base of the lashes, I'll apply a black eyeshadow. This is a Sigma L04 brush, using my blending brush to blend all this together. What's left on my brush, I won't take any more, just to see how it looks like. If it's too much, I'll take it out. The only color that I'm going to use from the Urban Decay palette is this one right here, this sparkly one. Using Laura Mercier Cream Eye Detail. Same eyeshadow, I'll apply it quite a lot in the inner corner. Now I'm going to curl my lashes using this Laura Mercier eyelash curler. Then I'm going to apply this Damn Girl mascara. This is from Too Faced. You guys, look at this mascara. I've never seen anything like this before. It's so black. If you want major lashes, thick lashes, go for Too Faced Damn Girl. This is like beyond. We're gonna apply some false lashes because that's what I did yesterday. I'm going to use the best lashes out there. These are Sweet Lashes. They look like this. Originally they come in a beautiful packaging, but I just took them out because it's just easier to travel with them like this. Alright, the lashes make the whole look very, very glamorous. For the lips, I'm going to use the classic Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is such a good color. It just suits everybody. Isn't this like so beautiful? Now we need major glow, and I'll use this Hollywood Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury. I'll take this with my fingers and apply it on the highest points of my face. And of course, on the bridge of the nose. Don't get the highlighter too close to the nose because this area is where we usually have larger pores. So it's only going to highlight those pores. On top of that highlighter, I'm going to use a powder highlighter. And this is the Becca C Pop. This comes in a special packaging. It's a limited edition packaging. I'll apply it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. And because we've already applied a cream highlighter, now the powder is going to grab onto that, and it's gonna have like a three-dimensional kind of a shine. I love this. Let me fix my hair and I'll be right back. I would spray this makeup with some setting spray, but the truth is I'm gonna take it off as soon as I'm done filming, so I'm not gonna really be able to enjoy this makeup look. Alright guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed this video. Absolutely love how glamorous this turned out. If you did too, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the ring bell button. Show me love on Instagram as well. I'm very active on my Insta stories. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. What did you get me? What is this? Like flowers? No? I want to know what's inside right now. Thank you. This is a, I guess this is a king size eclair. Honey, did you see this? Come. Come. Come today. Hello. Come. Look. Alex got you an eclair.
But it's a huge one. Oh my god.
Why the sad face?
Why? You look at this. It's huge. How should I eat it? Alone.
Well, who said you're gonna eat it alone? I mean, look at me.
I thought you were on diet.
Get out of here right now.